Here at Companion, we make it as easy as possible for you to buy a stairlift. One of our friendly, experienced advisors will visit you at home to talk through the best solution to suit your needs and home. You'll be able to see all of the options available and ask any questions you may have. During the visit, the advisor will take accurate measurements using our state-of-the-art technology to ensure your stairlift will fit perfectly. They can even show you how your stairlift will look on your stairs once installed, so you know what to expect. Once you've ordered your stairlift, we will then agree a date with you for an engineer to install it. And don't worry, the stairlift tracks fit to your stairs, not the wall, so no ruining the decor. Although all staircases are different, in most cases it will take no more than a morning or afternoon to fit your stairlift. Companion has a large selection of stairlifts for every type of staircase. This is our newest stairlift, the Companion 1100, which has the slimmest track on the market, so it leaves plenty of space on the stairs. It looks extremely stylish, offers a smooth and quiet ride, and has an optional automatic footrest and swivel seat to make it even easier to use. Many tell us how much their stairlift helps them, making their everyday life easier straight away. In fact, they wish they'd bought it sooner, and so will you. Get in touch with one of our friendly advisors today to make an appointment or with any questions that you may have on 0800 620 0824 or visit our website companionstairlifts.co.uk.